Interpreter. We begin the explainer tonight with the Director of Public Prosecutions, who has been given 48 hours to produce missing blogger Ndiang'ui Kinyagia or appear in person to explain his whereabouts before the Milimani Law Courts on Thursday. The directive was issued by Justice Chacha Mwita following intense courtroom exchanges between lawyers representing the family, led by Senior Counsel Martha Karua, and the National Police Service, which maintains it has no knowledge of Kinyagia's whereabouts. Seth Olale reports from a day of heated submissions at the Milimani Law Courts.
I don't know my client did this. Your client what? Then what are we supposed to do?
Drama unfolded at the Milimani Law Courts during the mention of missing blogger Ndiang'ui Kinyagia's case when human rights activist Mulinge Muteti abruptly disrupted the proceedings momentarily, throwing the courtroom into chaos.
You must stop extrajudicial killings. We will not come here to listen to your stories. You have abducted someone. His family is crying.
As the case progressed, Ndiang'ui Kinyagia's family, led by his mother Margaret Rukwaro, sat quietly, visibly distraught, as they followed every word of the proceedings.
So, just let me know what you want to add.
In urging the court to declare the matter a case of habeas corpus, in lay terms, a judicial officer forcing law enforcement authority to produce a prisoner they are holding, lawyers representing the family, led by Senior Counsel Martha Karua, insisted that missing blogger Ndiang'ui Kinyagia is being held in police custody.
And the conduct of the DCI and the police generally in this country in matters relating to abduction leads to the inescapable conclusion that indeed they arrested him and then ransacked his house.
It is my prayer, my Lord, that this court stamps its authority and help this nation secure justice.
These proceedings should continue with the participation and the presence of the two, Mr. Kanja and Mr. Amin, in person answering this question.
In its defense, the National Police Service, through its attorney Nelson Marwa, maintained that it has no knowledge of the blogger's whereabouts and requested 7 more days to continue with the search.
The second respondent is still pursuing the second petitioner so that he can answer.
We are not interested in any other thing other than the human being.
I am also interested, Your Lordship.
Yes,
thank you.
So when can we get this human being? So let's stop doing drama and stick to what the Constitution speaks to.
In a firm directive, High Court Judge Chacha Mwita ordered DCI boss Mohammed Amin to appear in person before the court within 2 days and provide answers on the mysterious disappearance of the missing blogger.
And since the DCI officers were the last people to be in that residence, conducted a search, and this person disappeared, and as contradictory as the inventories are, we need an explanation from the DCI where the second petitioner is. In that regard, I direct the Director of Criminal Investigations do attend court in person on 3rd of July, that's Thursday, at 11 a.m. and explain the whereabouts of the second petitioner or produce him in court.
He is a missing person. Tell us what you have done to look for him. Now, once you have him, now it's upon you now to go to the second phase of it. Now you can prefer whatever charges you have. And when that time comes, you'll now tell us This is why we are looking for him. This is why he was a person of interest. This is what we are going to do with him, and then we can cross that bridge.
With the matter set for another mention on the 3rd July, Thursday, 2025, questions still linger over the whereabouts of the missing blogger who was last seen 10 days ago, according to the family. Seth Olale, Citizen TV, at the Milimani Law